Namaste. How are you all today? Now, I've come back with this recording and I'm going to discuss a ruling by Supreme Court in India on Wednesday. And according to the ruling, they have said that sex work is now a profession and we should treat sex workers with dignity. What a bold and progressive step, isn't it? So the Supreme Court in India recognized sex work as a profession. Now, as per the sources I was looking at, so various newspapers, it also directed police officials to neither interfere nor take criminal action against adult and consenting sex workers. Supreme Court's order said that sex workers are entitled to dignity and equal protection under the law. So under Article 21 of the Constitution, they said this, and this three-judge bench was headed by Justice L. Nageshwara Rao, and they invoked special powers under Article 142 of the Constitution. There were few aspects of this ruling. Running brothel is illegal, not voluntary sex work. The court noted that voluntary sex work is not illegal, but running a brothel is, and hence sex workers should not be arrested or penalized or harassed or victimized during raids. Next aspect of the decision was sex worker's child cannot be separated from her solely on the grounds of their profession. So the court pointed out that the minors living in brothels can be tested to determine if they are actually the child of the sex workers rather than just assuming they were trafficked. Next, police cannot discriminate against sex workers. So the court said sex workers cannot be discriminated against by police officials when they lodge a criminal complaint, especially if the offense committed against them is of a sexual nature. So police, please do not assume that if they are saying that they did not willing to, go out with a particular individual and that other individual forced them to, that it's a profession, so she was supposed to know. She's not supposed to know means a no. Even if she's a sex worker, but if she says no, no means a no. And sex workers should be provided medical and legal care, and the police should be sensitized towards them. That's what the court said. Police cannot reveal the identities of sex workers in media. So Live Law reported, the Press Council of India has been directed to issue appropriate guidelines in this record. So we are waiting for those. And finally, sex work is not an offense. So according to the court, what the sex workers do for their health and safety cannot be construed as an offense. Citing an example of using a condom. Now, the court ordered workshops to be held for sex workers to make them aware of their rights. And that's very important. That's important to help stop, spreading AIDS. So that's a good step as well. I went through many social medias, and most of the people, they celebrated the Supreme Court directions. There were comments on Twitter like, we are proud, what a bold and progressive step. However, there were some who were not very happy with the decision, and they were commenting like, what a shame. It's not a shame. They needed to be given equal right ages ago. But it's better to be late than never. So we are so proud of Supreme Court for taking such a progressive step. And I really hope society would also stop shaming sex workers and give them the respect they deserve. I have always said they are very inspirational. They are raped every night. And you can argue they do it for money. No. Even if they do it for money, they are forced to go out with the people they don't want to go out. And that for me is construed as a rape. So we are on the right track. Thank you. Namaste. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Do watch and like my other videos. Thank you. Namaste.